Hi, I'm Lamar Weeks, Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Sanmar Emergency Equipment. Today I'm here to show you the CBJ 100. This is a 100 watt siren when used in conjunction with the YS-03 100 watt speaker. The YS-100A has a public address system. It has a manual siren. And air horn feature. It also has several selectable tones. The YS-100A is perfect for any emergency vehicle, law enforcement vehicles, public safety, or anybody that needs a quality siren at an economy price. For more information on this or any other emergency product needs, call Sanmar Emergency Equipment at 706-956-8606 or visit us on the web at sanmaremergency.com.